Hello mga Maring! Good morning sa inyong lahat. It's 9 a.m. dito mga Maring. Nandito ako sa harap ng Bells dahil may bibilhin ako mga Maring. Dahil nakatanggap tayo ng ayuda galing kay Sir nung Valentine's. Kaya pupunta ako sa Bells at may bibilhin ako. So kasama ko ang aking mga alipores. Ayan, si Riley at si Lily nasa likod. Sabi nila ay Girls' Day out daw ito kasi kami lang. Yung asawa ko nasa trabaho na mga Maring.
Look at our butt.
Kakaalis lang yan this morning. Pag ginawa na naman ngayon mga Maring, 39F. So last week medyo mainit, mga 75 to 80F. Pang summer na yung temperature. Pero this week ay malamig siya mga Maring. Yung Bells mga Maring, nag-open sila mamaya palang mga 11. Dito lang tayo sa Bells kasi may mabibili tayo ditong mga kaya lang sa bulsa mga Maring, may 14, 15. Para siya, yung Bells mga Maring ay para siyang Ross or TJ Maxx. Pero dito sa amin wala kaming TJ Maxx at Ross kasi.
TJ Maxx?
Yeah. Just one time I've been there.
Mommy.
Pero wala akong binili. Pero para lang siya TJ Maxx at Ross. Pero dito wala kaming TJ Maxx at Ross kasi maliit lang naman siya na town. So, ayan mga Maring, punta tayo sa loob at mag-tour-tour tayo kung ano ang nandoon sa loob na Bells mga Maring. Yan yung Chick-fil-A, yung pinipilahan talaga yan siya, morning or afternoon. Maraming pupunta dyan mga Maring kasi masarap yung yung chicken.
Fly away.
Hey, stop! Lunes ngayon mga Maring, pero dahil walang klase yung mga bata, winter break na nila, kaya kasama ko silang dalawa. Let's go, come here. So, ayan. Pasok na tayo sa Bells.
Funny cake. It smells like the funny cake.
So, ayan yung mga store nila dito. Hibit. May factory connection. Tapos pizza. Uy, don't walk in the middle, Lily. Parang wala pa yatang tao sa Bells.
Here.
Kumusta yung aking video mga Maring? Hindi ba siya sobrang bright kasi last video ko parang sobraan sa brightness. Para kami nga sa langit. May store dyan na Big Lots yung tawag. Magko-close na siya. Let's get inside. Oh, walang tao. I think we're the first one. I think yeah. Ay, kumukuha ng cart. Parang ang daming bibilihin. Konti lang naman. Just get a little bit. Coach. Just watch where you're going. Come here. Ganda na kanilang mga shorts. Lily, don't touch anything, baby girl. Ang ganda ng shorts. $10 lang. Yung mga Maring,
Look at this. How about this?
$10 lang siya. Square pants. Wow, ang ganda. Large. Square pants. Lagyan natin siya. Nandito pala tayo pumili sa Junyo. Kaya pala. Ito naman siya, $6. Crop top. Hey, don't touch that. Come here.
What? I really want to get a blue sweater.
Ang cute naman ito, oh. Kano kaya ito, Mama Ray?
So, look at this.
Size small. $7. Ito naman ay $12. Thank you, Mama
Oh,
Ray.
that could be cute, Abby.
So cute. $12. Meron silang dito, jeans. Square jeans. $48. Wow, mahal siya. Pero ang ganda, oh. Tingnan niyo, square. Square jeans. Meron din high-rise jeans. Cardigans. Ang ganda na cardigans. $12. Little girl, come here. That's really cute. Ay, may mga dress. Para lang yung
Do you
nasa ano
want
sa
to buy
TikTok.
this blue one? Looks so cute.
I know, it's really cute, baby girl.
Do you
Oh,
feel
ito
like
siya is romper. It's like a jumpsuit.
do you feel like you want to buy it?
Jumpsuit.
Check if it fits
Tingnan niyo
you.
yung dress. May dalawang sleeve.
Or mommy, get this and then put it on you so you will see if it fits you.
That's so cute, but really short.
Yeah.
Ay, in the sky dress. Wow, ang ganda. Pero para tayong buntis tignan nito kasi ang laki namang bilbil ko. Meron din, ang dami mga dress, Mama Rin. Ganda na kanilang mga
I'm
dress.
the one who's going to push.
Yan.
I'm
Dito.
the one who's going to no, do it. Stop.
Itong dress na to ay $16. Madden girl pala to siya. Yan.
Come on, Papa.
Ganda. Long dress na sleeveless.
Mommy. Can you?
Is it? Meron ding top na napaka-cute.
Come.
Wow. Grabe, ang cute. Tingnan mo rin. Ang dress. Tignan niyo naman ang dress.
Mommy, why is it
Yan.
bubble read? That's a grabber.
It's not. Meron silang mga ganito. Para sa mga slim. Hindi yan pwede sa akin na magmumukha akong parang suman, mga marin.
So first,
This is really cute.
Mommy.
Look at that. Ang cute ng romper. I mean,
And
jumpsuit,
Mommy.
marin. Oh.
This is how you can
Cute.
get the blue one.
Her
First, you get it out and then you put it on you so you can see if it fits you.
We'll see, my baby girl.
I really want you to buy it because it might look cute on you.
Thank you.
Really circles.
Look at this. I really like this dress.
Just get it.
And well, I
Buy
have to see if it fits me.
Buy it.
Large.
Buy.
Large. Diyos ko, large, pero parang ang liit pa rin.
Here. Let's go here.
Ganda ng dress, maring, oh. Parang pambata. We'll go to the shoes area.
Okay. Back.
Oh,
You
hold
want
on.
to get the blue one? Mommy, do you want to get the blue one?
No, my baby girl.
Well, it looks cute. They have furniture now.
Hmm?
They have furniture now.
Oh, yeah. May mga furniture sila,
So
Maring.
beautiful.
Yeah. Don't touch anything, babe. It's too...
This one's good.
You will break something.
I don't have to get new shoes.
Nandito tayo sa kanilang mga shoes.
Can I
May
get
Crocs
new
pala
sandals?
dito, oh.
I want new sandals.
Ang
I
kapal.
want new sandals.
Anong size ba to? Magkano to siya, mga Maring? Yung Crocs. $29 yung Crocs. Size 7. Wow, ang laki. Yan, meron silang heels, $24. Ang ganda ng shoes. Ayan. Pang trabaho. That's so cute. $11. Well, see if it fits you. Bilhan ko rin ng sandal yung mga bata. Ganda ng mga shoes, Maring. Ang dami. May sandal dito. $19. Ganda. Meron dito mga shoes. Ang dami. May Skechers. Soda sandal. Ganda, oh. Black. $12. $21. Pero wala naman akong lugar na mapag susuotan yan. Ang dami, Maring. Ang daming mapagpipilian. Ito din siya ay $19. Yung brand niya ay Blowfish. Nice.
This. I think I want to try this.
Let me see. Take your shoes off.
I want to buy this for
Come
me.
here, right here.
I want to buy this.
Huh? You don't need this, baby girl.
Wait, I want.
Come here, Riley.
I can't.
What size is this? Size 3? It's you. Looks like it's too small.
I think there's a bigger size like this.
It should have allowance. You can wear it for a long time.
I'll get the one that's nice.
Shopping din ang mga Alipores. Ganda ng mga sandal, Maring. Lily! Stay here, Lily. Ito naman siya. Ganun din. $19. Tapos may sandal na glitter. Ito siya ay $24. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, you have like that at home.
It's kind of like my size.
Yeah.
Oh, let's buy
Maybe
this.
find a different one.
No, I really want so cute.
But you already have like this at home. My baby girl.
But I really want it. It's so cute. I like it.
Size 6. Ang ganda, Maring. $14. Tingnan yung sandal, Maring. $14 siya. Glitter.
Let's buy it.
You don't like that kind of sandal like Sissy, Lily?
Yeah, I only like these ones. So cute.
Okay, what size is this?
I think it's
Size
4.
9.
Yeah.
Are you sure it fits you?
Yeah.
You wear it again. We try it again. Try again. Nandito tayo sa mga plastic sandals. Ang ganda, Maring. Ito naman siya ay $9 pambata. May ganitong design. Flower. May sandal ang liit.
I want to get another cute one.
Mm-hmm. No, only one, my baby girl. You'll only get one. Why don't you get like this? You don't like the sandal?
No.
Huh? It's cute.
I like it.
Or like this one. This is nice.
Let's please get another one.
Only one, my baby girl. Maganda din ito, Maring, oh. Kanilang sandal. Top. Ganda. $11 siya, mga Maring. Matigas ang kanyang paanan. Tapos meron din ditong Tommy Hilfiger na sandal. $24 siya. Ay, ang cute, oh. Ganda ng kulay, Maring. Napaka niya. Bright. Cute siya. What?
Why you were looking?
Why don't you get this kind of sandal? You don't like it?
When you were looking at this, I think I like it.
Are you?
I was
Mga ibang
trying to
sapatos dito, mga Maring. Lily, stay here. Tingnan nyo ang sapatos ng Skechers. Ganda siya.
I found new.
Just pick
I
one.
found good shoe, just like this, but it's different.
Where? Come here, Lily.
I really want these shoes to so.
Nandito tayo sa section ng
I
pangbata.
really want these shoes to.
Where? That one.
Yeah, right here.
Why don't you get this sandal? That's cute. It's glitter. Or this one.
Why I never get these? Right, I'll get those.
Ayan, oh. Stars. Magkano ba to? $19 siya. Meron din ganito. May sandal na ganito. Oh, look. This one is nice. This one. It's $12.
Wow.
Oh no, my phone. Nakalimutan na ang cellphone. Lily, you have to wear your shoes.
I really want to buy shoes. Lily, you only have one. I want to buy
You want
more.
shoes or you want your sandal? You gotta choose because I'm only getting one.
I want my sandals.
Riley, find a nice.
But Riley has
Why don't you got this one? This is a cute design.
But Riley has even more shoes than mine.
That's why we go get you shoes instead of Crocs because you already have Crocs in the house.
I think I just want shoes. Can I choose my shoes?
Okay, just choose one. Hmm?
Can I choose my shoes? What size is it? 3.
Size 3.
Yes. Cute.
What shoes you want, Lily? Make sure you have shoes that you can wear in school. Maybe this one. A white one. You want a white one?
No, I don't like it.
Why?
Because it doesn't have any sparkles.
Oh, you want a sparkle? How about this? Hmm?
Mommy, I found one. Mommy, this is
What is your size? I think you're 13.
What? This is our size.
Gusto niya daw yung sapatos na may glitter.
Really, this is
Let me
your
see.
size.
Why don't you get that? It's really cute.
I like
Look.
that. Okay, I want to get that.
Try it. Try it.
I want to get it. I want to try it. I want to try it. I want to try it.
Oh, yeah, it's the same as yours.
You already got a Nike shoe.
That's not Nike, baby girl. Okay, try it, baby girl.
It was really cute.
Kapag bumibili ka dito ng shoes, Maring, ay kung ano lang yung nasa display, ay yun lang din yung size. So, kung walang size, wala kang, so, kung wala yung size mo, ay wala. Dahil hindi na, kung ano na talaga yung nasa display dito, ay yun yung mabibili. Fits you, Lily. So, nakita na niya ang kanyang bling-bling na sapatos. Ayan. How much? Give me that, babe. So, isa sa uli namin ito. At isa lang yung bibilhin ko, mga Maring. Let me see. Ito siya ay $16. 16.99. Cute. May mga glitter. Ito naman siya, Maring, ay DKNY. $19. Mga $20 na siya kasi 19.99. From $30. 19.99 lang siya. May nakita akong sapatos, mga Maring. Ito siya. Yung brand niya ay Nautica. Tapos, ang ganda niyang design niya. Ayan, para siyang yung Samba ba sa Adidas. So, siya, $24 siya, mga Maring, yung kanyang price. Ganda, no? Meron din dito yung Reebok, yung brand. Ayan siya, mga Maring. $29. Ganda. Saan kayo maganda, Maring, yung may black or ito siya? Meron ding isa pang sapatos. Pero siya, size 8. Ang cute, no? Lucky brand. Siya, mga Maring?
Mom, you want to get that?
$29. Kaso, malaki. Size 8. Size 7 kasi
I
ako.
want to get shoes for
Ganda.
you.
No, we're not getting that, baby girl.
No, for you.
Ito yung size 7. Alright.
Do you want me to pick one for you?
I'm fine, baby girl. I want the other one. Let me try the other one. That one hurts.
This?
It's hard. Ito na siya, Maring. Ang yung sa Nautica. Ang ganda ng design niya. Kaso yung dito, masakit siya dito, oh. Walang foam yung kanyang dila. Tapos ito siya, may foam. Pero matigas yung dito. Hindi siya flexible. See? So, ayan, mga Maring, sinauli ko yung shoes. Hindi na lang muna ako bibili ng shoes. Pero bibilhan ko yung mga bata ng sapatos. May napili ako na shirt. Ayan, $10 lang siya. Ayan, kasya sa akin, mga Maring. At saka meron din ito. Ayan, pang summer. Ano lang siya, mga Maring? $14. $14.99. So, isusukat natin. Kasya siya mga ring. Ito yung gusto ko, yung may ganito ba? Yung natatabunan yung bilbil mga ring. Yan, ang ganda. Peplum siya na shirt. Peplum. Mga ring. Yung mga bata gusto nang umuwi. Ayan silang dalawa. Gusto na daw nilang umuwi kasi ang tagal ko daw dito. Yan. Ang cute. Nandito tayo sa mga section ng pambata maring. Oh, ang cute ng kanilang mga ano. Ang ganda to pang gifts. That's so cute. It's like a sketchbook.
I want it so bad.
And it has like that.
I want it so bad.
Ang ganda. Tapos itong mga ano outfit ng pambata. Yan maring. Ang cute ng mga outfit.
I want to get this so bad.
We're not getting that now, babe. Tapos yung mga dress. Dress ng mga bata. Cute. Tignan yung mga maring, oh. Ang ganda. Tapos meron pa dito. May kasama siyang headband. Nice. Ay, ang gandang outfit. Nakaset. Ang outfit siya, maring. Mga sweater doon. Okay, we need to pay now, babe. Let's go now. That's enough.
So cute.
Ganda naman ng basket. Pang ano, pang Easter. Pang egg hunting.
Mommy, next time can we get this? Next time can we get this if Daddy's here?
What is that? Vacuum?
Yeah.
Ah, vacuum for kids. We come here next time. Let's go.
And next time can we get this? Come on, hurry up.
Ganda, ang daming damit. Okay. Magbabayad na tayo mga maring. Pupunta sana ako sa mga bag, magbibideo ako doon. Kaso lang, itong mga kasama ko na bata ay nagmamadali. Ganito talaga pag may kasama bata mga maring, no? Hindi ka makapag-concentrate sa pag-shopping. Yung, ang dami talaga. Ang daming ano, tawag dito, tawag doon. So, ayan. Magpapagas muna ako. Alas 11 na pa lang. Alas 11 na ng umaga. So, 2 oras kami doon sa loob. Nagreklamo na silang dalawa kasi ang tagal ko daw doon. So, magpapagas muna ako mga maring at saka stop by kami doon sa ano, park. Gusto na lang pumunta ng park. Let's go. Magbabayad muna ako sa counter mga maring. I'll be back. I'm done mga maring. Grabe, ang ginaw sa
I
labas.
hope you don't see the video.
Why? Nagpagas ako ng $15. Yung $15 ay 5 gallons. So, ayan. Oh, pull it up, baby girl. Ang lamig sa labas. We're dito sa sasakyan. Ang init. Tinuturn on ko yung AC sa sasakyan kasi ang init dito. Pero pag lalabas ako, napakaginaw. Papunta na kami sa ano, sa playground. Let's go.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
Okay. Where's Lily? Oh, Lily went there.
Lily, did I catch you when I was like a toddler, like 2 years old?
Yeah, you were a little girl.
Did I really like parks before?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy! Yeah! I was a sister!
Hold on. I'll put it here. Don't go too far, Lily.
Are you ready? Go. Go. Let me do this! Can you take a video of me?
Okay. Go up.
Show my beauty. I'm scared.
I'll wait for you here. Right, slide. Slide. Go.
So high. You try, you try.
No, I'm scared. That's really high. Hey, don't push each other. Oh wait, I'm gonna sit here, okay? Uy, ang lamig. So, nandito kami sa park, mga maring. Ang lamig ng hangin. Yung asawa ko, nung binigyan niya ako ng pera, sabi niya, bilhin ko daw yung gusto ko. Pero dahil mommy tayo, mga maring, magigilty ako kapag ako lang yung bibilhan, yung sarili ko lang yung bibilhan ko. So, gusto ko na meron din yung mga bata kahit konti. Kaya, binilihan ko sila ng sapatos. Almost alas 12 na ng afternoon, mga maring. Hindi kami magtatagal dito sa park kasi gugutumin na kami. At hindi na ako bibili ng pagkain dito sa labas. Doon na kami sa bahay. Nagsisidatingan na yung mga ibang bata. Yung ibang kahoy dito naputol dahil sa yung bagyo noon ba, maraming kahoy ang naputol. Nalinisan na nila, ang bilis nila nalinisan. You have to go around, Lily. You need to use the stairs.
What, stairs?
Yeah, you go there, the other side.
Okay.
Right? Let them slide.
Hi, Winnie. Now when you slide 3, 2, sticky.
Go slide.
My turn. Let's go somewhere else, Mr. Stick.
Ay, may nagdo-drone. May dala silang drone.
Did I die? I know.
We're gonna leave in 5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Gawa pala to sa semento yung table at chair. Kaya pala ang lamig sa puwet, mga maring. Malamig sa puwet yung yung lingkuranan. Yung dalawang bata, ayaw pa nilang umuwi. So, yan. Nagmugot silang duha. Pero kailangan naming umuwi kasi 12:30 na at kakain pa kami. Dahil parang nag-uumpisa ng sumakit ang ulo ko, mga maring. Kapag hindi ako makakain on time, sumasakit ulo ko, mga maring.
Never really know what's going
We're home, mga maring. Dumating na yung in-order ko na mga pasta bowls.
Pasta balls.
Ano, doble pala to. Ang daming box. Ang daming box. Another box na naman sa loob. Grabe yung pagka-package nila. Ito na ang loob. Wow, malaki pala siya.
Why are you biting?
Ito na ang pasta bowls or dinner bowls. Ganda siya, mga maring. Apat sila, mga maring. Grabe yung pagka-package. Yung halos hindi mo na siya makuha. Yan, apat sila. Walang ganito sa Walmart. Kasi naghanap ako ng ganito sa Walmart. Pero wala.
It's just
Nabili ko yung square pants. Yan siya. Kasya siya sa akin. Magluluto pa ako ng rice dahil ubos na ang rice. Tsaka di ko alam ano bang lulutuin ko sa lunch. At saka yung mga bata, gusto nila ng isda pero kailangan pa siyang ito kasi nasa freezer pa. So lulutuan ko na lang muna sila ng itlog at saka spam. Yan, give me the plate. What is Lily doing?
I don't know. She's making the baby doctor. Ma, you know you putting me in a video.
What are you doing there?
I just told you. She's making a bubble bath for her baby doll.
Let the dogs in, babe. Sprinkles, rice sprinkles. Hinog na ang balimbing. Tsaka yung aking papaya, mga maring, na napakamahal. Binili ko to sa Food Lion. Yung isa, mga maring, ay 2.99. Napakamahal. Yung isa, ang liit ba nito? Tapos yung balimbing din, ay, pag may punuan ka ng balimbing dito, ay baka mayaman ka ng mga maring, dahil ito ay 2.99 din. So, kung i-convert natin sa Pinas, ay mga 172 pesos. Yung isa ng balimbing. Napakamahal. Tsaka yung mangga na binili ko, 99 cents ang isa, so mga 57 or 55 pesos. Kaya, mahirap talaga mag-cravings dito ng mga Pinoy na pagkain, mga maring, dahil napakamahal. Ito ng pagkain ni Madam. Here, Lily, eat, baby girl. At ito naman sa akin, mga maring, nilagyan ko ng rice seasoning ang aking rice. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang sausawa natin na suka. Suka na may mga spices.
On here, on the...
You want vinegar?